Hi Kate, here is C3, concept 3 of the, struggling to find the project name, Gwendolyn Basement. So what have we changed? We've got some hanging here. You asked for ski wear. I've only got dresses as models. You'll have the hanging heights on the 2D drawings there. And obviously I've left some jacket length hanging here. You asked for some drawers. The item I'm just going to jump into a section view there. That one will do. The item you referenced is a mesh basket. For a basement, for general storage, I would recommend the wire type of basket. It's a bit more robust. It's not as pretty as the mesh, but it's much more harder wearing. So if you're just sort of storing general odds and sods that are being sort of thrown into a basement for long-term storage, that might be a better product. There's a marginal price difference, but it's not much. Let's go back out of the section view and make the body translucent again, and we can look at being Swedish, Elfa do make some ski storage. It's basically this sort of little containing rack component on top of one of their standard brackets. There's also a way of storing skis vertically, which I will show you on a separate design. So that's an addition over this side. And finally, on the wall between the doors, I've added some more storage there. There's three types of drawer, whether you have them as mesh or wire. There is a 280mm height, there is a 180mm height, and there is also an 80mm height basket, which I haven't shown here. For general storage, people tend not to find that particularly useful. I think that's about all I've changed on this. That will have some effect on the price. I probably pointed out previously that gliding components like drawers and yes, the other thing I was going to point out to you is I've shown some shoe racks over this side. The baskets, the shoe racks, they can go wherever we want in the room. It's, and they can be moved around. Most of this is standard 600 bay, 600mm bay sizes, so it's really easy to move stuff around, but it is better to start with a design that's been given some consideration. So shoe racks are an option. The gliding components, like the drawers and the shoe racks, are going to put the price up. So I suspect with the changes we've made in this iteration, you're going to see a higher project cost, but I'll figure that out in the next few minutes. I'll show you the vertical style excuse me, ski storage, and I hope that's been useful.